Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a vlog day. I'm actually going to Pink Lake, which is close to my house. I mean, it's close enough. It's a long walk. So I'm taking the challenge today and I'm walking there. And so I'm bringing you along with me. It's just going to be a little short vlog. I am sweating bullets. I washed my hair yesterday. You guys saw my video. And already when I get home, I'm going to have to wash it again. But it's really pretty here. Like, wow. I'm far from where I live. Anyways, I hope I find the Pink Lake. I'm going by my Google Maps and checking where I am compared to where it is. But supposedly it's got a really nice lookout, so that's what I'm gonna go check out. Whew. Nature. That's the only thing about these places that scare me is sometimes I don't know where I'm going. Like when it comes to bike trails, there's not much around, so I don't want to get into any kind of trouble or anything like that. So anyways, sorry you guys have to see me all sweaty and stuff. It's gross, I know, but what a girl's got to do what she's got. A girl's got to do what a girl's got to do to stay fit. And I don't give a shit if I sweat or not. I got my tripod here, got my water in my shirt. Yeah, my bra carries everything. Alright guys, I'm going to turn you guys around so you guys can enjoy the scenery with me. This is so beautiful. I love nature.
A few moments later.
That sucks. There's like thunder going on. There's a severe lightning strike warning. Thunder. See, that's like thunder. I gotta go back home or else I'm gonna get caught in this shit. I was so close. Bella! Allô toi? Bella, ta branche. Ta branche. Là, ta branche. Et là, ta branche.
Bella, people. People. Hey, attention.
C'est maman?
Hello, baby. Hello.
boy. Hi, baby boy, Zeke. Hi. Mommy's coming. Hi, baby boy. Hi, Zeke. Hi, Zeke. Hi, Zeke.